Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today we will make surmai or kingfish fry. This is very tasty and solid fish. It doesn't have too many bones and it's easy recipe. So let's get started. This is surmai or kingfish. I have taken 3 pieces. I have washed them and dried them well with kitchen paper towel. We will marinate the fish pieces first. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, half tablespoon ginger paste, half tablespoon garlic paste, fresh lime juice, now coat them very well. Now I am adding 2 green chilies, crushed green chilies. We don't like too much spice. You can add more green chilies if you like more spice. Okay, leave it for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make some other spices. We will make masala paste. Take a mixing bowl. Take half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. We have already marinated the fish pieces with turmeric powder. So I am adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, pinch of garam masala powder, salt to taste. But do not forget, we already marinated the fish pieces with some salt and we will use some more salt to make the coating powder. 1 tablespoon fish fry masala. I am using ready-made fish fry masala. As you can see, 1 tablespoon tamarind pulp, half tablespoon fresh ginger juice, little bit chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, about 1 tablespoon, but it's optional. It makes nice flavor and it also tastes even better. Half tablespoon oil. Mix it very well. Add some water, very little, about half tablespoon. Masala paste is ready. Keep aside. Now we will make a powder to coat the fish pieces. Here I am taking 2/3 cup semolina. I have grinded the semolina to make a fine powder. 2/3 cup, about 3 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon rice flour, half tablespoon poppy seeds. You don't need to poppy seeds powder. You can add poppy seeds directly. Half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Salt to taste. This is the third step. We are using salt. So add very little salt. Now mix them together. So everything is ready now. Keep aside this powder. Our fish pieces have been marinated well. Coat the fish pieces one by one with this masala paste. Coat them very well. Now coat it with this powder. Let me finish all of them. Keep them in the refrigerator for 10 minutes only. You know what? You can take some more fish pieces if you want. Not only surmai or kingfish, you can take any kind of fish pieces. Follow this process and keep them in the freezer as it is. When you need to fry, just take them out and keep them in room temperature for 30 minutes only, then fry them. Our fish pieces are ready to fry. I kept it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes only. Let's heat up the pan. Keep it on medium to low heat. I am using olive oil. I am adding about 2 tablespoon olive oil. You can use any cooking oil. Oil is hot now. We don't need to deep fry them. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to fry each side. Keep them in the kitchen paper towel for few minutes to absorb the excess oil. Switch off the flame. Wow, I can't wait to taste it. Try to make it. I am sure you will definitely enjoy this fish fry. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.